Madonna's, it's breakfast time. Yes, fried dumpling. But guess what kind of dumpling? Let's dive into it. Yes, so me I make two set of dumpling this morning. White flour with cornmeal and wheat flour with cornmeal because my husband does not want the white flour and I do not want the wheat flour. Okay, so me I boil some saltfish. Yes. And then this seasoning is going to be for the dumplings. And this is going to be for the cabbage. So watch me cut up some seasoning. This is sweet pepper. And I have some purple onions, a piece of scallion, a piece of green sweet pepper as well. So I'm cutting up these seasons very small. You know what? I should have used the grater because that would have make it better. So next time I am going to use the grater and shred these vegetables because it will work better. So if you're watching this, you can tell me. Guys, please remember to hit that like button and let me know where you're watching from. So I cut up all those seasoning already. Yes, everything got cut up small, but I wish I did greater it so you'll know. These are some tomato that I have in the freezer. So I take them out to thaw and now I'm mincing them up. I did already cut it up, but because I need it small for this menu, I have to cut it smaller. So now I'm putting some in the white flour and some in the whole wheat flour. I'm gonna add some baking powder. This is a teaspoon, guys. And the amount of flour that I use is 4 cups in that bowl. The white flour, and this is like 1.5. So I put 2 teaspoons of baking powder in the white flour and like 1 teaspoon in the wheat flour. And I add a little tip of Maggi. You could see just a little pinch. A little tip of salt. Yes, now I clean as I go. This is the saltfish. I'm gonna just clean it up. Take off all the black thing from the back, the scale. Remove everything. And I'm just gonna pick it up in another bowl. Guys, I couldn't, yeah. Things are just disappearing, right? So I'm adding some saltfish in the dumpling. Yes. I add some in both containers. So if you are a person who made fried dumpling, you will kind of understand what I'm doing. It's just to add these ingredients to it. You don't want to, I'm telling you, guys, it's delicious. So I'm mixing it up. I'm making sure everything mix up properly, and I'm going to use some cold water from the fridge. Cold water from the fridge. Okay, so now it's time for me to make this. Oh, I make both those, but I realized that I remove making the white dumpling, but both of them are covered in the corner over there. I removed that part of the video because you don't need to watch me making the 2 doughs. You already get the idea of what I did with the whole wheat flour, right? So I'm cutting up the cabbage. This cabbage is soft, so I have to watch how I cook it because I like my cabbage crunchy. So I'm getting this vegetable ready for the cabbage, to cook up the cabbage. So it's onion, scallion, sweet pepper, 2 peg of garlic, and a little piece of thyme. I put 2 different kind of sweet pepper to just give it some color. Yeah, I forgot my carrot, so almost forget my carrot. And this is one of my main ingredients. So I get the pot ready. This is the pot that's going to fry the dumpling. And guess what? I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So the seasoning are stir frying right now. Then I add the carrots because the carrot is hard and I want it to kind of get tenderized before I add the cabbage. I'm gonna add a little Maggi all purpose, which you know, I don't cook nothing without Maggi. Now I'm gonna get the dumpling them fry because I'm rushing for my hubby to get breakfast before he left for work. Yeah, so I'm frying the dumplings. I'm speeding up the video, guys, so if you don't see when I'm breaking, just a little piece. I'm gonna make a plantain. So I was peeling the plantain and I'm just gonna fry it so he can have his breakfast before he left for work. I have 20 minutes to get everything ready. Now I'm going to add the cabbage. I just cut out some of the stuff, guys, because you get the point, right? After I cook up the seasoning and, you know, add the carrot, add a little Maggi, then I add the cabbage. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Guys, remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. So these are the whole wheat dumpling because that's my husband and he's going to leave soon. Yes, you see the seasoning them in there, guys. Oh my gosh. So nice. Cabbage almost ready. Just need a little bit of black pepper right now. Look at this whole wheat fried dumpling with saltfish. Yes. Whole wheat. That's the whole wheat dumpling. So I'm going to fry these are the white dumplings. And that's the finishing. That's the breakfast. It's all done. I didn't do the video long because there is no need to. But you get the picture. Bye, guys.